Hello everyone, welcome back to Happy Little Diodes. Another dead quick unboxing video for you today. It's another bargain off eBay and it is another Speccy 48K. By the way, this channel's not exclusively for Speccies. I've got some Ataris lined up. I've got a very special, very old, rare computer which I'm going to do a few videos on, so that's something to look forward to. And I also want to include some development, coding, game dev videos as well. Anyway, back to this Speccy. This Speccy looks really bad from the pictures. They sold it for very cheap, as seen, no returns. And just look at it, poor thing. I really can't wait to have a look, so I'm going to have to open it up for you. The faceplate is totally knackered, it looks filthy, and it is filthy, so that makes sense. I can see that there's one brass tab left on the faceplate, which explains why it's all broken. I think someone's just tried to wrestle it off without actually learning how to take it off. And that might be why the paint's all cracked off as well. I don't know. Anyway, it obviously hasn't been stored in a very good spot because this rubber mat is also very filthy, although the markings on it aren't in too bad shape. There's just one or two keys where it's a little bit worn, so I don't think it needs replacing. No idea if this keyboard membrane's going to work either. There is some kind of orangeness going on in there. I'd be surprised if it does. I can see underneath as well in the screw holes that there is a bit of orange in there as well, so we're going to have a look inside. So it's an issue 3B. It's had a couple of new capacitors at the bottom there. One of the multiplexer chips is socketed, and I can see it hasn't had the DC-DC mod, so we'll have to do that. But otherwise, it's really good condition. Look at it, it's clean. I can't see any corrosion, any damage, really. It might even work. Underneath, very clean. I can't even see leftover flux from those capacitors, so someone at some point has looked after it. I'm really impressed with this, and it might just be an absolute bargain. Later this week I'll be putting up a full refurbishment video for a issue 3 Spectrum, including a detailed look at the DC-DC mod. Then I'll be able to start working on this one. Thanks for watching.